Wakili MARANYA augite Koti NIREGETE kunenkana ya watho bo MUSWANDA yo KWEBERIA ngabana Kawira mwangaza gitene yotugethire ugita na mbere ya ARIUGA Koti yugite ritangwe nende na ndo nyingi chikithirikari ya nyacho china manya yacho MARANYA na kwithira gita na mbere na kuwa ABITHAA ba county ni bethirite bagita na mbere gwika kambi Koti kenda wike magamba yangi kiri MUSWANDA yo yabura muthuri Muriuki autotariria
Meru nikenda koria Koti de kubarutha urakurungika mubango jwa impeachment jura thomera muthenya jwa goro na ni jwirigiri kwarirwa kiumia twitite ara kuringana na wakili MARANYA augite Koti iji nirigere na undu bubu.
So Governor Meru Kawira Mwangaza now filed petition ile kuria kurigeria county assembly Meru endelea na motion ile tebodi goro na that petition ita kotini. Koti va make a ruling about the same is not certified urgent. Na served upon the county assembly and the speaker of the county assembly of Meru. Kenda thikirwa tariki 28 mweri wa 11 2023. So basically Koti wa make that finding nondo temea kurigeria county assembly from eritangwe yayo nondo county assembly is a constitutional organ, not that constitutional organ from executing its function.
Na nandiko tiugita ati ukeja kwithura Governor Meru akenda gwitetera abiri wita county assembly ya Meru kana ria rwari ruru rwakinya nyombe senate.
So Governor at this point erokitha any defense against motion filed about to present that defense either at the county assembly kana at the senate, but not to the court. If you feel you are aggrieved, kana when arrested infringed, the right place to go into where to county assembly could dikero right aggrieved on this bit not for 1, 2, 3 reason. Kana oremero na ina chance inge na kwa senate weta na kwa elesa na bro ku right chaku cheta infringed lakini teko rigeria motion ya impeachment ya debated.
Andiro ruru rwakurita Governor gitene ruketha rugita na mbere no Koti ugite Governor Meru ethwe kinya kontineje ntaraki 28 muri twitite.
So that is to mean that tariki 28 November assembly gathered more than 1 month after I consider that motion. So in other words, it does not stop the county assembly from proceeding. However, I'm told Iba will file so many other similar motions, similar petitions, but of course, Cheka are dealt with each at a time, at its own time.
Na kulingana MARANYA agwito ndubura Governor Kawira Mwangaza kuthithia ni kwenda Koti yariria mandu jegi assembly na jatiumbikana.
Yes, you are court should be reluctant on kurungamia process another constitutional organ. So obviously Koti ke very reluctant kurungamia process. Ire kuendelea kile another constitutional organ ya court. Court is a constitutional organ, county assembly is a constitutional organ. So about kwithre supervise only na kwenda the ya procedure. Lakini the merits. But now the governor are ku invite court to determine merits chair motion. You already debated. You're the only tabled. You debated. Those merits about which demonstrate ke county assembly. But the county assembly cannot senate. They could defend.
Nkiripotera BORITHI, Muthuri Muriuki.